Alright, we're checking in at Marriott Clark. So here we are. We'll use our Bonvoy points to check in. It's the Marriott Clark. Okay, my driver, Berna Baron on her BYD. So, saan pwedeng mag-charge ng BYD dito? Saan pwedeng mag-charge?
Alam ko po dito po sa may Shell eh.
Sa may Shell?
Opo. Yun po.
Okay. Pasok na raw, Ma'am Baron. Wow, first time na yung mag-check-in dito sa Marriott Clark. Using our Marriott Bonvoy points. So, ito yung a la carte restaurant ng Marriott. Ah, maganda. Alright. Katabi pala ng lobby. Well, just beside Marriott is the another hotel, and it's called the Swiss Hotel. Ang katabi niya. Ito si Wuxing Chinese Restaurant. Sigurado masarap dyan. Ayan, may Peking duck. Wow, looks good. Here at the Wuxing. Kikinig tayo rito. Kung bibigyan ba tayo ng magandang kwarto.
Of course, sir.
Ah, of course daw. Ah, okay. Thank you for the upgrade, huh? I'm sure Berna's going to ask for late checkout. Ayan, pinakita sa akin ni Francis yung schedule. Breakfast, all-day snacks. Importante yung cocktail na may alak. 5:30 to 9:30. Thank you, Francis. Huh? Okay na tayo, Berna Baron. Uy, 2 piece. Bibigyan mo kami ng suite room?
Yes.
Francis, oh, bait-bait mo naman. Ayan. Gano'n ba kalaki yung suite room nyo? Ayun, busy si Francis. Yes. Our honeymoon at the Marriott's. Always on a honeymoon. Uy, 5 stars pala ang Clark Marriott. Oh. Palagay, oh. 5 stars.
Mas marami silang option, ma'am. Limited lang po option dito sa...
Pero anyway, I'll ask them later.
And then sa next...
Would you know if they have discount for Marriott Bonvoy sa mga restaurants?
Yes po, 10% discount.
10%.
Okay, ready to check in na kami ni Madam Berna. Yan, yung mga luggages namin, oh. Sila na magdadala. Uy, may restaurant pala rito sa kaliwa. Tapos dito sa kanan, there's a very nice coffee shop. Wow, so far, nice ambience. Mama Berna, anong room number natin? 625. 625. Ganda ng mga bulaklak niya, oh. Marami din siyang restaurant dito sa hotel na to, no? Pero gusto ko yung Chinese. Alright, so we're here at 625. Surprise! Hopefully, we have a nice room. Oh, wow! Mama Berna! Ang ganda pala ng suite room dito sa Marriott. Very nice. So that's the reason why we're here. Nice amenities for my brewed coffee. 4 yung pang brewed coffee ko. Wow, laki pala niya. So, maganda siya. Thank you, Marriott, for giving us a very nice room. Ganda ng design niya, oh. Yes. Nice comfy bed. But the best part is the space. Malaki ang space, which I like. Yan, tingnan natin yung yung comfort room. Okay, so from the room, here comes the toilet. Very nice. Nga lang, mukhang isang bathrobe lang. Okay na rin. Oh, nice rain shower. And I can sit down. Mukhang na-remodel to. That's my throne. So from the toilet, malapit lang yung room. So kung madalas kang mag-jingle, konting exercise lang.
And also those
from Accor. Now we're using Marriott points to enjoy the luxuries in life. Now let's check the view. Ayun ang view, mga bundok. Mga bundok ng Clark. Yes, ganda na ng Clark. Dami ng mga developments. Dami ng golf course. Dami ng malls. Talagang ano na siya. Pang high-end na. Yan ang fountain sa harapan ng lobby. And as Platinum members, we get to have chocolates. The best part is the room. Ready to chill out.